In this video, I will show you how to add Google Maps as a base map in Global Mapper. You can use any boundary, waypoint, or tracking to specify your current project. After loading your boundary, you go to Connect to Online Data, click on the Earth-like icon here. And then you select Add New Source. From the drop-down list, choose the SRI RESTful or Google Maps tiles and click OK. In the URL row, type in this web address. And then click OK. Then selected category. You can name it Google and make sure it checked. And now you name the source as Google Roadmap. And then it will load it into Global Mapper as a new source. After you select the source, just click OK. And the maps will load it into your current screen. That's it. Thanks for watching.